Thanks again for checking in as we take a look at your national coast-to-coast forecast. And after a very heavy snowfall event from Friday into the weekend across the Midwest, we're still going to be dealing with more snow midweek here. We'll share that information with you in a second. The southern U.S. dealing with extreme fire weather danger today, and temperatures will be warming up as we approach the end of the month, thankfully, after dealing with such a cold start to the month here. All right, so as we take a look at the national winter weather headlines, you can actually see another bullseye here of winter weather headlines, including a winter storm warning for parts of southern Minnesota and northern Iowa. That's where we could have 6+ inches of snow coming up Wednesday night. Looking at the snowfall tallies in Minneapolis, may have an inch or two coming off of one of our greatest April snow events ever in recorded history, 4.3 there in Sioux Falls for the next couple of days here. Again, most of the snow will be falling on Wednesday. Meanwhile, as we head into Thursday, there is going to be a threat for some severe weather developing in New Mexico and far west Texas, and then by Friday it shifts a little bit farther east, but impacting some of the same areas. So the storm that impacted us in the central U.S. over the course of the weekend, that's located there, still bringing with it some snow to the northeast and some lingering wintry precipitation. But there's that next system. It's a fairly small system compared to the last one we dealt with, but stout enough to bring some shovelable and plowable snow to those areas, and then it will roll into the Great Lakes region. So as that storm system kind of connects with the bigger one to the northeast, we watch this system develop in the western U.S., and that'll be developing some severe weather over the southern U.S. But prior to that, we are looking at some very gusty winds, some red flag warnings, and extreme fire weather concerns today with high wind warnings. I mean, we're talking some 50+ mile per hour winds from Denver down to Lubbock. And then on Wednesday, we do have a critical fire weather concern as well. Temperatures are running quite warm and warming up.